वाला ठुमका लगाओ, यूपी वाला ठुमका लगाओ, के हीरो जैसे नाच के दिखाओ। यूपी वाला ठुमका लगाओ, के हीरो जैसे नाच के दिखाओ। नाच के दिखाओ गोरी, नाच के दिखाओ, नाच के दिखाओ गोरी, नाच के दिखाओ। संग संग तुझे भी नचाओ, के हीरो जैसे नाच के दिखाओ। संग संग तुझे भी नचाओ, के हीरो जैसे नाच के दिखाओ। अरे यूपी वाला ठुमका लगाओ, के हीरो जैसे नाच के दिखाओ।
दिल खिला नहीं,
अभी नहीं, अभी नहीं,
नहीं नहीं नहीं।
Sisters, teachers, and my dear students. Today it's very hard for me to believe that I am standing here to say goodbye to a place that has been not only my workplace but truly my home and my identity for the last 13 years, St. Francis School, Anpara. My journey here began quite unexpectedly. I still remember the date 18th February 2012, when I landed in Anpara. At the time, I had no plans to start a job, as my daughter was just 1 year and few months old, and everything was new and unfamiliar. A few months later, I came to know that there is a vacancy for maths teacher in St. Francis School, Anpara. Still unsure, we thought, let's visit the school and see Anpara. And we will take some vegetables also from Sunday market. I was really not expected anything seriously. I gave the interview, think it was just a small experience. But the very next day, I got a call from the school saying you have been selected. Honestly, I was not happy at first. I was surprised and tensed. I kept thinking how I will manage. But we all know God always has better plans than we do. I joined the school in June 2012, and that was the beginning of a life-changing journey. From the very first day, I felt warmth and kindness all around me. When I joined the school, I didn't know that this space would become such a big part of my life. Over the years, I have learned so much, not just as a teacher, but as a human being. From my students, I learned patience, honesty, and beauty of small joys. From my fellow teachers, I learned teamwork and power of a smile, even on a tough day. From my principals, I learned discipline, leadership, and from the parents, I learned understanding and trust. And from our non-teaching staff, I learned sincerity and silent dedication. Each day here taught me something new. Every morning assembly, every classroom moment, every staff room laugh, all of them added meaning to my journey. I was blessed to work under wonderful principals. Each of them shaped me in a unique way. I'm thankful to Father Bona and Father Baptist. I'm thankful to our present principal, Father Sunil Lorona, who has been an inspiration to all of us. Father, working with you has been an honor. I learned from you not just how to be a good teacher, but how to be a better human being. Focused, sincere, and humble. Many lessons you taught have quietly become part of my life today. My dear fellow teachers, you all are my extended family. Over the years, we have worked together and supported each other in every storm. During my tough times, you all stood by me like a wall of strength. Each one of you have an impact in my life. I wish I could tell one story about each one of you. But if I start doing that, it will take around 3 hours or more. But still, please know that I carry piece of your love, kindness, and laughter with me wherever I go. I'm also thankful to all the sisters I have worked with. Sister Sarita and Sister Paskula have always been gentle, loving, and always ready to guide me with warmth and patience. And my dear students, you have been the heart of my journey and my greatest teachers. I repeat it, you have been my heart and my greatest teachers. I learned patience, creativity, and unconditional love in your eyes. The sparkle of your eyes, your innocent questions, and your joyful laughter will always stay in my heart. I would also like to thank our non-teaching staff, the silent hands behind every smooth day. And finally, my deepest thanks to everyone for this wonderful farewell. Even when weather conditions were not suitable, you all proved how much you all love me. A special thanks to CG ma'am for your lovely and kind words for me. As I am going to start a new chapter in life, I carry with me countless memories, lessons that no book could ever teach. Thank you all of you for making me who I am today. Wherever I go, a part of this institution will always stay in my heart. Thank you so much.
Now it is time to express the gratitude we have for
तुमको भी है खबर, मुझको भी
I request all the teachers
है
to come on.
पता
The memento may be
हो
small,
रहा
but it carries our endless respect and countless
है
feelings.
जुदा दोनों का रास्ता। दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
तुमको भी है खबर, मुझको भी है पता, हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता। खो चुकी है, बस एक गम है कि जाता नहीं।
समझा के देखा, बहला के देखा, दिल है कि चैन इसको आता नहीं, आता नहीं।
आंसू हैं कि अंगारे, आग है अब आँखों से बहना।
कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
रुत आ रही है, रुत जा रही है, दर्द का मौसम बदला नहीं।
रंग ये गम का इतना है गहरा, सदियों भी होगा हल्का नहीं, हल्का नहीं।
कौन जाने क्या होना है, हमको है अब क्या क्या सहना।
कभी अलविदा,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
तुमको भी है खबर, मुझको भी है पता।
हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता।
दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना।
कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
तुमको भी है खबर, मुझको भी है पता, हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता। दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
तुमको भी है खबर, मुझको भी है पता, हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता। दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। I request the volunteer to volunteers are requested to kindly assist. Please do not gather together. जितनी थी खुशियाँ सब खो चुकी है, बस एक गम है कि जाता नहीं।
समझा के देखा, बहला के देखा, दिल है कि चैन इसको आता नहीं, आता नहीं।
आंसू है कि है अंगारे, आग है अब आँखों से बहना,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
रुत आ रही है, रुत जा रही है, दर्द का मौसम बदला नहीं।
रंग ये गम का इतना है गहरा, सदियों भी होगा हल्का नहीं।
क्या क्या सहना,
कभी अलविदा।
Vandana ma'am, Reverend sisters, respected teachers, and my dear children. Though it is a very sad day for us, because we are going to miss one of the best teachers of our school. What I am saying is, there is a brand, everywhere there is a brand. So, Vandana ma'am belongs to that category of teachers who is a brand of St. Francis. Give a big round of applause to Vandana ma'am. She is the brand of St. Francis School, and she is the brand ambassador of St. Francis School. On this auspicious day, as we bid farewell to her, I implore God's blessings upon her and on her family. May all good things happen in our life, in our family. Let all joy may be in our family. And whatever dreams she is dreaming of may be fulfilled by the Lord. May God bless you, Vandana ma'am. We will miss you always. Thank you.
Thank you very much, but your lesson will forever remain the background music of our lives. Words will never be enough to thank you for the countless ways you have touched our lives. You were not just a teacher, but a guide, a mentor, and a friend who believed in us. Your lessons went far beyond books. You taught us discipline, moral values, and the courage to dream. On behalf of every member of this institution, we wish you joy, good health, and endless happiness in the journey ahead. Thank you so much for everything, ma'am. You will always be remembered with love. Now, as we come to the conclusion of this memorable day, let us all rise for the national anthem.
आज बड़ा ही भावुकता भरा क्षण है। विगत 12-13 वर्षों से मैं यहाँ पर अपनी सेवाएं दे रही थी और आज घड़ी आई है जब वो सुरक्षित सेवानिवृत्ति लेकर के विद्यालय परिवार को से जुदा हो रही है, छोड़ के जा रही है। और हम लोगों ने मैम से इतना कुछ सीखा है कि किस तरह से सकारात्मक रहे। आज राय से बात हो रही थी, मैं था होते कह रहे थे कि वो इतनी पॉजिटिव रही हैं कि कभी लगा ही नहीं कि उनके अंदर कोई कमी है या कोई कभी उनकी कोई निंदा कर सके। कोई भी काम विद्यालय की ओर से उनको दिया गया, उन्होंने उसे दाहिने हाथ से लिया। और कल्चरल प्रोग्राम वगैरह में भी जब भी उनको कोई जिम्मेदारी मिली, उन्होंने पूरी तन्मयता से उस कार्य को पूर्ण किया। आने वाले समय में मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि मैम के लिए ईश्वर प्रगति के तमाम द्वार खोले, जिससे मैम के बच्चों का भविष्य, मैम का भविष्य उज्जवल होता जाए। विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से मैम को मैं शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ भावी जीवन में।
All the best for your future. Thank you.
Pray for the school, for our students and for the school. I learned a lot of things from all of you. Even each one of you, I must say. I told you that I had stories with each one of you. आप सबके साथ मेरी कुछ ना कुछ स्टोरीज हैं और बहुत अच्छी यादें हैं. I want to take them all with me. I'll always remember that. सब लोगों के लिए और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much. All of you have been very supportive, very caring and very loving. I mentioned it earlier also because I am youngest member in the family as well as my husband also. So we always get that love and care, and whatever we say means others accept it also. They get convinced always. And here also whenever I came to the school और आप लोगों से जो भी बात कही कि चलो ऐसा करते हैं, चलो ये करते हैं, so always all of you were ready with that. So thank you for that concern, that care and that love जो आप लोगों ने एक छोटी बहन या फिर फ्रेंड समझ के आप लोगों ने जो दिया है. Thank you so much all of you. And Mr. Kipati will so please back your song. Thank you.
Teachers, when ma'am came with the news that she is going to leave the school, it was a shock. Shock in the sense I didn't know exactly how to respond to it, because these days it is very difficult to get good teachers, especially we are in a very remote area. And see, the thing is, the person who has worked here for years, like 10 plus years, the particular person knows the culture of the school. So we have things easy in our hands. Things easy now. And it's very difficult to, because to lose experienced person. As I told in the morning also, Vandana ma'am is a brand for us. Wherever in Renu Sagar, whomever I have spoken, they speak very highly about Vandana ma'am. So I said she is a brand for us in Renu Sagar. So like we also expect our children also in the school. You see, at least you are from St. Francis, so you have to have that kind of standard we expect from the students also. So I told also, I endorse this thing what I am saying also. She is a brand ambassador for St. Francis. So now see, we are going to miss it. We are going to miss it. See, that is the mark of St. Francis. See, we come and go, that is the difference. But the school has its own legacy. This we have to think. And our thinking also, now whether I am there or not there, what I have to do, I have to do. See, this is the thing, is very important. This is what we want the teachers to. Whether Father Sunil Dorana is there or not, or somebody else is there, what is my dharma? You say, no, what is dharma? Means, what is you do it? Who is going to harm you? No one will harm anyone. You follow your dharma. Dharma means the duty. Nobody will harm anybody. You need not worry at all about your job. I am telling you, even if you are a temporary also, if you are following your dharma, no one will touch you. But if you do adharma, only the problem will come. See, that you have to be aware. No one, why? You are doing best. Who will review you? We have given you the chance for St. Francis with that intention. So, this one. Vandana ma'am has lived her dharma here. That's why it's said that that is the brand for us. And we are going to miss. And we don't know whoever comes, whether she will be in such a position for us, we don't know. So we hope and pray that whoever comes will be a good candidate for the school, because the legislature is coming. So at this moment, so many good things, as ma'am said, very she is one thing, punctuality. Ma'am, whatever it is, she is there. Vandana ma'am, punctuality, obviously, there is no question of punctuality. Her dedication, whatever work is given, she has done excellent work, whatever work is assigned to her. And some like risk, I told her to teach class 7 hours of maths. She was teaching low class. So opportunity given to her, and she has done a great job. So she has proved her mettle. She has proved us. And on this day, though we are going to miss her, and it's a day not to celebrate for us, for the school, it's a day of sorrow for us. Sorrow for us, because we are going to miss an important person of the school who has also contributed for the best of this institution. So everybody is important. So at this moment, my only prayer to God is, as she has taken a decision, with whatever her intentions may be, whatever, let God take care of her family and all. And our prayers are there always with her. And she was jokingly, she was telling me, I will come back as a dance teacher.
Yes, I will learn dance.
I will learn dance and I will come back as a dance teacher. Please don't come back as a dance teacher. Meantime, all teachers will be dancers, dance teachers. We will empower our teachers, then all teachers will be dance teachers in our school. So, ma'am, once again, thank you for your contribution to St. Francis School on behalf of the management. I thank you for your honest and sincere work to our institution, and I wish you all the best for the future. So God has one plan. God in His eternal wisdom, He has His own plan. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. Whatever it is, ma'am, all the best for you, and we are going to miss you, St. Francis. Okay.